Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. If you told me 30 years ago that one day I'd love making pizza dough from scratch, I would say, yeah right. On the website, there are already several recipes and here's another one, my Mediterranean pizza dough. Extremely flavorful, this is the perfect base for your creative pie. It's another lovely recipe to add to your folder. So let's get cooking. In a bowl of a stand mixer, we'll add active dry yeast, some lukewarm water, and honey, because yeast loves sweet. We'll stir well and let it sit for 15 minutes or until it starts foaming. Meanwhile, in a bowl, we'll combine 2.5 cups of bread flour, some Greek seasoning, and to get my recipe, the link is on the top right corner of your screen. Also, garlic powder and ground sea salt. We'll whisk the ingredients until well blended and set aside. Alright, so back to the stand mixer. As we can see, the yeast is alive, so we'll add our dry ingredients to it, some finely diced roasted red peppers, and a couple tablespoons of olive oil. With the dough hook attachment, we'll process for 2 minutes on speed 2 before increasing to speed 3. This time, we'll process until the dough clings around the hook, adding reserved flour 1 tablespoon at a time. When it gets there, we'll increase to speed 4 and knead for 4 minutes. A few minutes later, our dough is pretty much done. But I'm telling you right now, it will still be sticky, and it's okay, as long as it bounces back, which means the gluten did its work, and as a result, we'll have a light airy crust. Now, with our hands lightly oiled, we'll pull the dough under, forming a ball just like I'm doing right here, and then place it in a large lightly greased bowl. We'll gently swirl it around to coat, cover with a clean dish towel, and place the bowl in a draft-free area, such as an oven, with, of course, the temperature off. We'll let it rise for 1 hour. 60 minutes later, we'll remove from its spot, and here it is. The dough doubled in size. So we'll punch it and, like we did earlier, form a ball again by pulling under. We'll place it back in the bowl, cover, and return to the oven. We'll let it rise for a second time for 1 hour as well. After the time is up, look how gorgeous it is. All puffy, but not for too long. We'll deflate the dough and flip it onto a lightly floured work surface. Now, we'll form a ball once again before dividing it evenly in 2 pieces using a bench scraper. After forming each piece into a ball, we'll dust the work flour a little more, then the top of our dough, as well as the rolling pin. We'll roll out the dough into a 14-inch diameter. If it starts to retract, we'll let the gluten relax for a minute or 2 before continuing. We'll transfer each pizza dough onto a separate pizza pan that has been lightly dusted with cornmeal. From here, we'll proceed with our pizza recipe. And my friends, this is our Mediterranean pizza dough. Super tasty. This is a great base for many pizza recipes. It adds another layer of deliciousness to them. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!